The LitezAll ULTAC3 is a feature-rich rechargeable work light. Let's take a closer look. Inside the package is the light and a USB-C charging cable. Because the light is rechargeable, it's best to charge it fully before first use. Plug the included charging cable into any USB power source, such as a wall charger or power bank. Unscrew the rear cap, pull back the port cover, and insert the USB-C plug. Blue lights in a 4-step battery charging indicator blink while charging is underway. Charging is complete when all 4 lights are solid blue. A full charge may take up to 3 hours. Replace the port cover and screw on the rear cap. Operating the ULTAC3 is easy. Squeeze the on-off trigger repeatedly to cycle through all light modes plus off. 3 brightness modes are available. High is 1000 lumens with a 3-hour runtime and a 350-meter light throw. Medium is 300 lumens with a 3.5-hour runtime, and low is 50 lumens with an 11.5-hour runtime. The ULTAC3 features a combined super tight and wide light pattern in all brightness modes. A locking switch prevents unwanted operation while not in use. The light may be used handheld or hands-free using the fold-out stand. The stand folds out to 10 locking positions to aim light and may also be used as a carry handle. The ULTAC3 is made of tough, high-strength resin and carries an IPX7 weather-resistant rating. It's a great tool to use in the field, your workshop, or vehicle.